In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in WordPress efficiently and smoothly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, understanding how to revert changes can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's dive in and explore the ways you can achieve this. When you've made changes to a WordPress post or page and wish you hadn't, fear not. WordPress has a built-in feature called Revisions that can help you. To access it, first, head over to the dashboard and open the post or page you want to revert back to. Now, locate the Revisions section. If you don't see it immediately, click on Screen Options at the top right and make sure that Revisions is checked. This will allow you to access all the previous versions of that content. Once you click on a specific revision, WordPress will show you a handy comparison between the current version and the selected revision. You can scroll through these versions to find the one you want to restore. To confirm your choice, just click Restore this revision and your content will reload with the older version. Remember, you won't lose anything. WordPress always keeps track of your updates, meaning you can always go back to any other revision if you need to. Beyond revisions, it's also a good practice to have regular backups of your site. This ensures that if anything gets out of hand or if multiple changes need to be undone, you can revert your site to a previous state entirely. Many hosting providers offer automatic backups as part of their services, and there are also numerous plugins available to help with this. Plugins like Updraft Plus or Backup Buddy can automate the process, giving you peace of mind and an easy restoration method whenever necessary. Sometimes you might need to undo changes related not just to content but also to themes and plugins. A change in a theme or plugin can significantly alter the appearance or functionality of your site. If this happens, you can deactivate a theme or plugin through your WordPress dashboard to see if that resolves the issue. Simply go to the Themes or Plugins section, find the one you suspect is causing the problem, and deactivate it. You can always reactivate it if needed, so there's no risk of permanently losing settings or data. In summary, WordPress offers multiple methods to undo changes, and understanding each can be incredibly beneficial. From revisions to backups and deactivating plugins, these tools ensure you maintain full control over your site's content and functionality. Always make sure to test these steps on a staging site first to prevent any unintended downtime on your primary domain. With these strategies in your toolkit, you're well equipped to manage your WordPress site confidently and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy WordPress managing!